Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Learn Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you how can you introduce yourself in Arabic. But before we start the lesson, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. And follow my page on Facebook and Instagram. Are you ready now? Let's get started. The lesson entitled How Can You Introduce Yourself in Arabic? Firstly, you must say the greeting in Arabic. You have a choice from two ways. You can say Assalamu alaikum or Marhaban. Assalamu alaikum or Marhaban. To introduce yourself, firstly, you must say Assalamu alaikum or Marhaban. So, Assalamu alaikum. After then, your name. The name in Arabic, ism. And if you want to say my name in Arabic, ismi. Like ismi Dina. Or ismi Fatima. Or if you are a male, you can say ismi Muhammad. Or ismi Abdullah. After then, the country. You are from what? أنا من مصر. أنا it means I am. من it means from. مصر it's my country. You can say أنا من أمريكا. I'm from America. Or أنا من إيطاليا. I'm from Italy. Or I am from the United Kingdom. أنا من بريطانيا. أنا من then the name of country. أنا من مصر. أنا من إيطاليا. أنا من فرنسا. أنا من السعودية. أنا من لبنان. After then, the age. العمر. Like عمري 27 سنة. عمري 27 سنة. The age in Arabic named عمر. And my age in Arabic عمري. And 27 in Arabic named 27. And year in Arabic named عام or سنة. Okay, it has the same meaning. عمري 27 عاما or عمري 27 سنة. Again, to introduce yourself, you will say Assalamu alaikum or Marhaban. Assalamu alaikum or Marhaban. Ismi Dina. My name is Dina. And I'm from Egypt. أنا من مصر. عمري 27 سنة. عمري 27 سنة. After then, you will say your profession or your job. What you do. You can say I'm working as. After then, your job. But you can say another way. After then, your job. أنا معلمة. I'm a teacher. أنا معلمة. I can say I'm a teacher of Arabic language from non-native speakers, or just أنا معلمة. أنا معلمة. I'm a teacher. If you are a doctor, you can say أنا طبيب. أنا طبيب. If you are an engineer, you can say أنا مهندس. أنا مهندس. And the last, you can say your social status, like أنا عزباء. It means I'm a single. I'm a single. I'm not married. I'm a single. I am, it means أنا. Single in Arabic named عزباء. عزباء. If you are a male, you will say أنا أعزب. أنا أعزب. If you are a female or girl, you will say like me أنا عزباء. أنا عزباء. If your social status is married, you can say أنا متزوج. If you are a male, أنا متزوج. If you are a female, you will say أنا متزوجة. أنا متزوجة. Okay? Again, please repeat after me because this is a lesson. It's important for you. If you want to introduce yourself, you must say the greeting in Arabic. You have a choice from two ways. You have a choice from two ways. To say Assalamu alaikum or Marhaban. Assalamu alaikum or Marhaban. After then, your name and where are you from, your country, and the age and the job, and the last, the social status. Okay? Now I'm introducing myself. Assalamu alaikum or Marhaban. اسمي دينا. اسمي دينا. أنا من مصر. أنا من مصر. عمري 27 سنة. عمري 27 سنة. أنا معلمة. أنا معلمة. أنا عزباء. It means I'm a single. أنا عزباء. If you have any question about this lesson, please don't hesitate to tell me in the below of comments. If you like my video, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. Now I'm asking you, how can you introduce yourself? Please tell me in the below of comments, and I will happy to see it, inshallah. See you in the next video. مع السلامة.